The 2024 World Manufacturing Convention commenced in Anhui Province of China on September 20th. After visiting around, we found out high-tech, intelligent, and green are words that can summarize items displayed at the convention. The huge tractor belongs to products of the Chinese brand Dongfang Hong. It is an unmanned tractor equipped with China's Beta satellite navigation.
可以完全实现无人化、自动化。
According to the introduction, it can work 24 hours per day without a stop under all weather. On the 1 yuan banknote of the third set of RMB was printed the image of a Dongfang Hong tractor. The brand has a milestone meaning for China's mechanized farming. This is amazing! The device allows users to interact with the air screen without physical contact. The monorail train of French Alstom is also exhibited at the convention.
Already a lot of people need a convenient transportation system and flexible. So the market in China is very huge, and the international market, where you have a lot of cities without any transportation, is also very huge. So we can provide for China mainland and for all over the world.
All manufacturing achievements put on display, ranging from high-end equipment, agriculture machines, EVs, and robots to smart home appliances, define the theme of the convention: intelligent manufacturing for a better future.